Hello everyone. Today I'm going to walk you through 2002 to 2004 Subaru WRX STI front and rear differential fluid change. The front and the transmission go hand in hand. I've kind of forgot to record the front, so I'm just going to walk you through it, but I did get majority of the rear, so that's good, right? Okay, here are the tools that you're going to need. It's not too hard, not too many. This is normal stuff that you would need to do a fluid change. This is the gear oil that I use for the transmission in the front. This is the brand that they told me to use. This is the funnel that you're going to need if you do not want to remove your intercooler, which I don't recommend. This is the rear differential fluid. This is also the brand that they told us to use. This is the pump that you would need to pump the rear differential fluid back in. These are the two bolts that you would need to take off the front differential and the transmission. Okay, the only one that changes whenever you have 2005 and up is this turns from a bolt to a star. Whenever you are removing the two bolts, the front differential bolt is going to be bigger and magnetic. It will have metal shavings that you need to clean off. It shouldn't be a ton though. And the front differential bolt is going to be tightened to 52 foot-pounds, and the transmission is going to be 32.5 foot-pounds. And here we are. We're at the rear differential. Easy peasy. We're going to take off that bottom bolt, the drain bolt, with just a half inch socket. Whoa. Yeah, we dropped it. A half-inch wrench. Did I say socket? Whatever. See, we dropped it. I said socket when I meant wrench. It's okay. You know what? We're humans. But he got it out, cleaned it up. Like he said, there were some metal shavings on the rear differential one as well. Not too many though. Just make sure you clean everything because, I mean, it's dirty, like, right? Okay. You're going to want to be very careful with this sensor. I believe he said it's the temperature sensor. Or maybe it's a pressure sensor. Either way, be very careful with it. It was in there pretty snug. Yeah, like pretty snug. It was really simple though, the job in itself. Be careful whenever you are using that pump to pump the fluid back out. We forgot that there was an extension to fit for longer bottles, and we ended up tilting the bottle and wasting our time, but no big deal. And the two bolts in the rear are both going to tighten to 36.2 foot-pounds. And that's pretty much it. Sorry I couldn't record it all or didn't record it all. Had a few little hiccups and issues, but it all worked out. We got our fluids changed, and if you found this video helpful, like it. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. If you want to see more car videos, let me know in the comments. If you have any suggestions or tips, or if there's anything I left out, go ahead and let me know in the comments. And thank you for watching.
Look at the concentration.
Of you?
Look at the concentration of skin on that forehead. Okay.